Good afternoon, children. Hope that all of you had your lunch. And today we have to start. I think that we have already started linear equations in one variable. That chapter just started. One or two problems we have done. We will continue the chapter, our third chapter of this year. Okay. And linear equations. Some were asking through the WhatsApp what is meant by equations. I will give a recap to you again. Equation means a statement which contains equality sign. Yes. A statement which contains equality sign, we can call all the statements as equation. In some equations variable will be there, in some equations variables won't be there. I will give one example. See, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. This is an equation, yes, but this equation contains no variable x or y or z or a, b, c, nothing is here. This is an equation, but it contains no variable. 5x plus 3y equal to 8. This is also an equation. This contains two variables, x and y. 5x plus 3 equal to 0. This is also an equation which contains one variable x. Okay. So, if the question is solved for x, means in those type of questions there will be an equation which contains one variable will be there. They won't give such an equation. Solve means there is one unknown and it's your duty to find that unknown. And what I told you, if you are getting the answer x is equal to 6, suppose we will call 6 is, what is the name of the answer? I told in the last class there are two names for answer. Either we can call the answer as root of the equation, root, x value, what you will call root of the equation. Otherwise we can call solution of the equation. Two names are there. Either you can call root of the equation, otherwise you can call solution of the, after solving what you are getting, that is known as solution. We will tell, no, I have one problem, I want to solve it. Yes, solved it. So, we got a solution. We will tell. Likewise, here we are getting the answer as x is equal to 2, suppose. Then x is equal to 2 is known as solution of the equation or the root, not the other root of the equation. Okay. Then I am asking, we are dealing which type of equation? We are dealing, yes. This type of equation we are not dealing because here x, y, two variables are there. There are two variables. In this equation, in this chapter name is linear equations in one variable. So we will deal this type of 5x plus 3 equal to 0. This type of equations we will deal because there is only one variable. If two variables are there, we can solve, but we need one more equation. That chapter we will study in 9th standard. Now we will study about the equations in one variable. Now is it clear what is meant by equation, what is meant by linear equation? Okay, what is meant by linear equation? What is meant by linear equation? I told the speciality. What is meant by linear equation? Let me call out one name. Oh, Sheetal. What is meant by linear equation? No answer? What is the meaning of linear? Last class I told you, no? No. Then the chance goes to, no. Jerome, tell me the answer. What is meant by linear? Linear. Or why we are calling linear equation? Not much time. Jake Davis. No. Isha Jose. Isha. What is meant by linear? The word linear means its degree is 1. Last class I told. If the equation's variable's degree is 1, we will call that equation as linear equation. See, in this equation, what is the variable x? What is its degree? 1. So that equation is known as linear equation. See, 5x square plus 3 equal to 0. This is not a linear equation because what is the degree of the variable? 2. So it's not a linear equation. If it is a linear equation, variable's power should be 1. I called 4 or 5 names, but I didn't get any response from you. So next class onwards, I will simply explain, and we are not conducting the exams, nothing we won't do. Okay, if the response is not there from you, we will go like this. So you got the meaning, and last class I told to copy the notes from the textbook. What is meant by an equation? You have to write the definition. What is meant by linear equation? You have to write the definition. Then what are the examples? 2 or 3 examples you write. What is meant by root or solution of the equation? Those definitions you have to root. I think that we have done. Equation and linear equation is definition you have to do. I told if those who did, they will get the concept. Others, simply for the time being, they are listening. After that, you are closing the notebook and going to sleep. No use. It will affect your further studies also. See, you should be very serious in your studies. Again and again, we are reminding, because of online classes, some are misusing that chance. Anyway, the teacher is not there. Parent is also not supervised. So I am doing no problem. Next year, you will get a bad impact of this online classes. Okay, so make use of it. Last class we have done one question. Solve 21 minus 3 into a minus 7 equal to a plus 20. We got the answer as 5 and 1 by 2. We got the answer as 5 and 1 by 2. So we will continue the classwork. Second question, solve. Now no need to open the textbook. You no need to open the textbook. All of you please close the textbook. Okay, and listen the class. If you have any doubt, now itself you ask. Okay, that's why we made maths class live. So we are doing the second question. Second question. Solve. Second question means second example. Solve y plus 2 by 4. Y plus 2 by 4 minus y minus 3 by 3. All of you listen here. After writing the question, listen here. Equal to 1 by 2. Equal to 1 by 2. Okay, this is a linear equation. You have to solve means you have to find the value of the unknown. What is the unknown here? Here the unknown is not x, that is y. Here the unknown is y. So your duty to find the value of y. If you have any doubt, you ask. Somebody is asking the doubt, I think. Or simply don't touch that button, okay? Okay, this first you listen. This is a little bit not complicated. Not like the first question. First question, it was not a fraction. It was easy. Second question, it's a fraction. So you have to find the LCM. You have to find the LCM. Okay. So first you find the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? Left side only. Right side is equal to, that side is known as right side. Is equal to, this side is known as left side. LHS, left hand side. RHS, right hand side. Clear? So first we will simplify the left side. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? 12. Then in 4, 12 how many times? 3 times. So 3 into its numerator y plus 2. So before that let me tell, this minus is for this whole expression. This minus is for this whole expression. So even if they didn't give the bracket in the question, it's our duty. Just to make it clear, you keep one bracket. Just to note that this negative minus is for the whole expression. Otherwise, you will take this negative only for y. You won't take for negative 3. That I know. That's why I told after getting the question, if the negative is common, it's your duty to keep one bracket. Okay? Minus. Here in 3, this 12, how many times it will go? In 12, this 3, how many times? 4 times. 4 into its numerator, y minus 3 equal to 1 by 2. All of you write this step. Write this one. Next, 3y plus 6. 3y plus 3 into 2, 6. We are opening the bracket. Minus 4y. Opening the bracket. 4y. Negative 4 into negative 3 plus 12. Negative 4 into y is negative 4y. Negative 4 into negative 3 is positive 12. Okay. Whole divided by 12 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, if it is clear, you write the next step also. Then you can do 3y minus 4y. We studied in fundamental concepts. That's what I told you. Should be very good in fundamental concepts what you have studied from 6th standard onwards. Okay. 3y minus 4y, negative y. 3 minus 4, negative 1, no? So, negative 1y. 6 plus 12, 18. Whole divided by 12 equal to 1 by 2. Till this, is it okay? First 4-5 problems we can do with clear steps. Then you will be the experts. Then we can do fast. Okay. Till this okay, now you can cross multiply. You can cross multiply. What 2 into this much, 12 into this much. Likewise you can cross multiply. Yes. Okay. Who is speaking? Catherine. Okay. Starting onwards. You were late to join? Whether you were late to join? No. Okay. Listen, this is the question. Being fractions, we have to find the LCM. 4 and 3, what is LCM? 12. So, 12 we have written here. Okay. Okay, then in 12, this 4, how many times? 3 times. So, that 3 into its numerator. Not only to Catherine, those who couldn't follow in the first time, you can listen again here. How we were doing fractions to subtract, we have to find LCM. LCM 12. In this 12, 4 how many times? 3 times. 3 into y plus 2. Numerator y plus 2. Minus. In this 12, 3 how many times? 4 times. 4 into its numerator y minus 3. Correct. Right side half as such. Now we are going to open the bracket. Net is too slow. Okay. No problem. 3 into y, 3y. 3 into 2, 6. Negative 4 into y, negative 4y. Negative 4 into negative 3, positive 12. Okay. Don't copy from anywhere. If you could understand, then only you can copy to your notebook. Whole divided by 12 equal to 1 by 2. Now, 3y minus, these two are like terms. 3y minus 4y. 3 minus 4 means negative 1. So, negative 1y. 6 plus 12, that is 18. Whole divided by 12 equal to 1 by 2. Now, we will cross multiply. Somebody simply switch on your, I think, mic. That's why some unnecessary sounds we are hearing. If you want to speak, okay, otherwise you switch off. Cross multiply. So here, negative y. I am not writing negative 1 into y. That is negative y. Negative y plus 18 into 2 equal to 1 into 12. That is 1 into 12 is 12 itself. Okay. Now, negative 2y plus 36. Opening the bracket. 12. Negative 2y equal to. Listen. Cross multiplied. Okay, negative 1y plus 18 into 2. You should keep the bracket equal to 12 into 1. Okay, now open the bracket. Negative y into 2 is negative 2y. Negative y into, 18 into 2 is 36. Equal to 12 into 1 is 12. Now what I told, all the numbers to one side, all the variables to the other side. Okay, so negative 2y equal to 12. 36, let it go to the other side. 36, let it, because 12 is a number constant. 36 also a constant. All the constants to any one side, all the variables to the other side. Here negative 2y, that's the only one variable that I kept in LHS itself, left side. 36 I am taking to the other side, it became, when it changes the side, what will happen? Plus 36 will become minus 36, correct, minus 36, okay. So negative 2y equal to 12 minus 36, what is that? 20, what 24? 12 minus 36, from small number you are subtracting large number. So after subtraction you have to keep negative sign, negative 24. So y equal to negative 24 by negative 2 equal to positive 12. Negative, it will become positive 12. I hope that it's clear for you. Answer is 12, correct. There is any doubt? Ask me. Next we are doing, you complete this one, by that time let me write the question. Okay, last question, okay. Now this question, solve. Here what is the variable? What is the variable here? Idle, what is the variable? Idle Cecil Jaffe. Neha. Neha Claire. No. Then tell. What is the variable here? What is the variable? A. Yes. Who told? Either? Elizabeth told. Then where are they? Ethel and Neha. Okay. Anyway, the answer is correct. Variable is, I am noting down who all are responding, who all are not responding, who all are not attending the class. We have a record here. So whenever you get the chance, you respond. Okay. Here A is the variable. You have to cross multiply. First you have to cross multiply. Okay. So A minus 2 into A plus 1 equal to A plus 4 into A minus 3. Okay. You cross multiplied. A minus 2 into A plus 1 equal to A plus 4 into A minus 3. That's okay. Cross multiplication. I think that compared to the last question, this question is easy because there is no need to find the LCM. Only one fraction on both sides, so you can cross multiply like this. Here till this we have to do, then only we cross multiplied. Okay, so this question is easy comparing to the last question. After that, term by term multiplication, A into A square. You see the fundamental concept, the chapter has wide application here. Those who are very good in that chapter only can answer this chapter very easily. A into A square, A into 1, A. Negative 2 into A, negative 2A. Negative 2 into positive 1, negative 2. Okay, equal to A into A square. A into negative 3, negative 3A. 4 into A plus 4A. 4 into negative 3, negative 12. Without the support of the board, you try to do in your notebook and see whether yours and my both are okay or not. You can use the board for the reference. You try to do because you have studied last year. Term by term multiplication and all. A into A square. A into 1, A. Negative 2 into A, negative 2A. Negative 2 into plus 1, negative 2. A into A square. Negative 3A. 4A. Negative 12. Okay. Now, A square, if you can see the same terms on both sides, you can cancel out. Otherwise, A square will come to this side, it will become negative A square, A square minus A square, that's 0, that's okay. But we are not doing that one. Simply if you can see both the terms on both sides means you can cancel on both sides the same term. No change in the equation. Okay. I will give one example. Five plus x. Suppose it's like that. Okay. Then 5 you can cancel like this. Okay. Nothing can be cancelled because others all are different. Now you do one thing. You can simplify each step, each side. A minus 2a or 1a minus 2a is 1 minus 2. From small you are subtracting large. So negative 1a. Otherwise using the rule of integers also you try, you will get negative 1a. 1a minus 2a means negative 1a minus 2 equal to negative 3a plus 4a or 4a minus 3a is 1a. That is positive 1a minus 12. Now what I told, all the a's to one side, all the numbers to the other side. All the variables we can take to the left side. Negative 1a, I am not, negative 1a. This, let it be here, negative 1a. Yes. Yes. Alisa Robi, okay. The step, this one? That is term by term multiplication. This bracket, did you study? Multiplication, fundamental operations, binomial into binomial. Listen otherwise. A into a square. A into 1, a. 1 into a is a. Negative 2 into a, negative 2a. Negative 2 into positive 1. What is that? Negative 2. Is it clear, Alisa? Is equal to right side a into a square. A into negative 3, negative 3a. 4 into a, 4a. 4 into negative 3, negative 12. Each term you have to multiply. That you have studied. I know 7th standard, 6th standard onwards you have studied. Okay. Now this step a square, if you can see the same terms on both sides, you can cancel a square cancelled. Now 1a minus 2a. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So negative 1a. Then this minus 2 as such is equal to negative 3a plus 4a is positive 1a minus 12. Now I am going to take this 1a to this side. So it became minus 1a equal to, here what is negative 12 is there. Negative 2, let it go to the other side, it will become positive 2. Yes. Now you will find some, you will make some mistake, I know, because here you won't take negative 12, don't take simply 12. Negative 12, then negative 2 when it come to the other side, it become positive 2. Here positive 1a when it changes side, it became. Why we are changing the sides? Because our aim to make all the numbers to one side, all the a's to the other side. Clear? Now negative 1a is negative 2a, not 0. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. Equal to negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10. Integers. From 12 you subtract 2, then you will get 10, then put the sign of the big number, so negative 10. Clear? So a equal to negative 10 by negative 2, that's equal to positive 5. Negative, it will become positive for division. Positive 5. Okay. I told don't open the textbook. Sometimes if there is any other method, you will be confused. So you have to stick on to one method. Okay. Just go through if there is any doubt asked. By that time, let me write the next question. Solve 2x plus 1. Solve 2x plus 1 by 10 2x plus 1 by 10 minus 3 minus 2x by 15 3 minus 2x by 15 equal to x minus 2 by 6. So x plus 1 by 10 minus 3 minus 2x by 15 equal to x minus 2 by 6. Then one more they ask. Hence find the value of y. Okay. Hence those who completed that question, write this question. Hence find the value of y if, oh, it's a big question, if 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 3. That will let it be the second part we are not minding now. We will find only this one. After that only we will enter to this session. Okay. Let me rub this one. This is the question. Yes, fraction form. You have to find the LCM. All of you listen. This is the fraction form like our first question of today's class. Okay, this is a fraction form. 10 and 15 you have to find the LCM and then only you can subtract that. If you have doubt, you ask. Milan, where were you? Milan James. Okay, Milan. You were late to join, I think. Next time onwards, you should be on time. Okay. Then listen the class. Listen. Milan. Minus, I told no. If it is common, you have to keep one bracket, I told no. This minus is common for this, this and this. So it's better to keep one bracket. Question they won't give, but it's our duty to keep one bracket to reduce the mistake. Okay. So now 10 and 15, what's LCM? What's LCM of 10 and 15? 30. Yes, 30 is the LCM. You can find, you will get the LCM is 30. So 30 is the LCM. Now listen all of you. First you listen. In 30, this 10, how many times? 3 times. So that 3 into its numerator, 2x plus 1. Clear? Some are not familiar with this method of finding LCM. For them, I am explaining. LCM, you were finding both numerator and denominator, we will make same, but it will be difficult for higher classes. That is the fundamentals. Okay? But higher classes, it's better to find the LCM like this. Okay? 10 and 15, 30 is the LCM. Then in this 30, first denominator, how many times? 3 times. That 3 into its numerator. Then minus. Minus. Yes. This 30 in this 15. This 15 in 30, how many times? 2 times. So 2 into 3 minus 2x. Okay. Right side as such. Yes. Now I will do one thing. I will call, now you are okay, I think I will call some more names. Okay. Isha and all didn't reach, no? Isha, she is there. I don't know why she didn't respond. Isha is there. Isha Jose is there. Isha, Ethel and all, I didn't hear your voice. All the names are here. I will call when time permits. Okay. Okay. First step. Okay. Clear? Right side simply. Now open the bracket. 3 into 2, 6x. 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 3, 6. Negative 2 into negative 2x. This one you see negative 2 into 3, negative 6. We are opening the bracket. Negative 2 into negative 2x. Negative into negative, positive. 2 into 2, 4x. Yes. X minus 2 by 6. 6x plus 4x. Again simplification. Now we are fast, no? Because we got experience. 6x plus 4x. 10x. 6 plus 4. 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. Because from small number you are subtracting big one. So negative 3. whole divided by 30 equal to x minus 2 by 6. Okay, this much you write. Now what you will do, you will cross multiply. Next part you do. This much, if there is any doubt, ask me, and the further steps you do. Okay, cross multiply. 60x minus 18, 30x minus 60. How I got 6 into 10x? Otherwise, you need one more step in between. Okay. 6 into 10x minus 3 equal to 30 into x minus 2. Cross multiplied. 6 with this one, 30 with this one. You should keep the bracket. Now open the bracket. 60x minus 18 equal to 30x minus 60. Okay. Now all the x to one side, all the numbers to the other side. So 60x minus 30x. 30x I took to this side. It became minus 30 equal to negative 60, not changing the side, always right side, negative 60. This negative 18 is going to the other side, it will become plus 18. When we transpose the side, how we change the signs, you see. If there is doubt, ask. Yeah. Next. Correct. Nicholas Nambadan is there? Nicole? Yes? Nicole is there. Okay, you can speak out, Nicole. You can. Somebody is telling the answer. 16x minus 30x. That is 30x equal to 60 minus 30 is 30. Negative 60 plus 18. 60 minus 18, 42. Then you have to put the sign of the big number. Negative 42. So x is equal to negative 42 by 30. What is the answer, Nicole? Nicole, he has to speak out. You will get a fraction, I think. What is common, 42 and 30? 6 is common. 2 is common, but I am taking a big number. 6 is common. Otherwise, if your 2 is common also at last, you will get my answer. Negative 6, 5. Negative 7 by 5. Negative 7 by 5. Okay. But they ask one more. Hence find the value of. Now it's easy. This much okay. Okay. So x value you got negative 7 by 5. So they are asking substitute in this equation and get the y value. That means again one more question they ask in connection with this question. This question's x you can use in this equation and hence find the value of y. Okay. We have to do one more problem. That's what I think. So now 1 by x plus given 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 3. Okay. Then 1 by x value you can take that one. Negative 7 by 5 plus 1 by y equal to 3. Solve and get the value of x. One by negative 7 by 5 is its reciprocal. 5 by negative 7. Reciprocal. Plus 1 by y equal to 3. Now, variable to one side I told no, numbers to the other side. So, 1 by y let it be here, 5 by negative 7 let it go to the other side, 3 is here itself. So, plus 5 by 7. See this negative, either you can write in the numerator or denominator or in the numerator, no problem. Anyway, or in the middle, once only. Anyway, when it changes the side, it will become plus. This minus means here. Then it will become plus when it changes side. 3, 3, right side itself. Okay, now 1 by y equal to, take the LCM again. What is the LCM of 7? Here in 1, 21 plus 5. That is 1 by y equal to 26 by 7. So y equal to 7 by 26, correct. Y equal to, its reciprocal. 1 by y equal to 26 by 7. So y equal to its reciprocal, 7 by 26. That means we are taking the reciprocals on both sides. Here again we took the LCM. 7 is the LCM in the 7. Here 1, 7 times. That's 7 into 3. That's why I got 21. Plus in the 7, 1 time. That 1 into 5. Do you have any problem? Then I will do. 7 into 3 plus 1 into 5. That is 1 by y equal to 21 plus 5 by 7. Now is it clear? If there is doubt, you ask. So, this question actually it consists of 2 questions, no? First question, we found the value of A. A it was, no? Or no, x. We found the value of x by finding LCM and all. Okay, that's we got negative 7 by 5. After getting that value, you have to substitute in the given one more equation they have given this one. X value is substituting, then y will be unknown. That y you have to find. That again you have to find the LCM and get the value of y. Okay, 2 problems together. So all the class works over. Now we have to do some, now remaining time till 1:30, 2:30, no? Remaining time we will do some questions from exercise 14A and I will give some questions as homework from 14A. Okay. If you can do all the problems for 14A, no problem, that much you will be the experts. Okay. We need maximum experience. Next 14A, we are doing, yes. No, that is not an improper fraction. That's not an improper fraction. Y equal to 7 by 26, no, not 26 by 7. You are talking about a y value or x value? X value, y I am not, that's correct, that's improper. But why I am not doing that? Because that's not the last answer. After getting this x, I have to bring it here and do again. So if it is in the mixed form, again we have to make it improper here. So I kept as such, okay. Last answer, if it is improper, then only we will make it into mixed. Okay. So I am going to rub this question. Now, maximum questions we have to do in the remaining time. First question number 3, 14A question number 3. Very easy, comparing to this question and all, that question is very easy. 14A question number 3, 3x plus 2 by x minus 6 is equal to, 3x plus 2 by x minus 6 is equal to negative 7. Negative 7. Okay, those who can, they can do. What is the first step? If I am calling the names, you won't respond to me. That's the main problem. Neha, Ethel, they are not there. Nicole also didn't respond to me. Yes? Yes? Who? Then Rimsha. Rimsha is there. Rimsha Roshmi. We are not searching whether you are there or not. If you are there, switch on your mic and speak to me. That only. Otherwise, I will give the chance to some others. Sam Joseph. 5 names I am calling. Anybody? Rimsha, Sam Joseph, Savio. Yesterday I saw Savio in the school. Savio. Sebastian. So I will put the absent mark I will put in the attendance list today. These are not there, no? We are not searching whether you are there or not. If your mic is, you can switch on the mic, you switch on the mic and speak to me. Okay. How to do this question? This question. What to do? Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Here you may think that here, if you want, okay, you write by 1, no problem. If you want the fraction in the right side also, okay, by 1 you write. Now, can you cross multiply? If 1 is not there also, you can cross multiply this and this, you will cross multiply this as such. If you, those who want, you can. Okay. Now, those who have doubt, ask me. That time I will. Okay, cross multiply. 3x plus 2 into 1 equal to. Sam Joseph is there? Okay, Sam Joseph, can you speak? I want to, actually I don't know this boy and Sam Joseph and all, I didn't teach you. I want to hear at least. I cannot see you. I want to hear at least. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Okay, listen. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. 3x plus 2 into 1 equal to negative 7 into x minus 6. Okay. Now you do. 3x plus 2 into 1 is 3x plus 2 itself. Into 1 means 3x plus 2 itself. That's why I told here 1 is not needed actually. Now this into this. Okay, this into this. Negative 7 into x, negative 7x. Negative 7 into negative 6 plus 42. Correct? Any doubt on the step? Negative 7 into x, negative 7x, negative 7 into negative 6, positive 7 into 6, 42. Now what I told, all the x to one side, all the numbers to the other side. So 3x, negative 7x, let it go to this side to become plus 7x is equal to 42 is already here. 2 will come to that side, it will become negative 2. So 10x is equal to 40, x is equal to 4. Very easy question, no? Very easy. Next we are doing question number 10. Those who finish this one, write question number 10. 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 20. Maximum questions you do from this chapter, okay? So next year it will be very easy for you. X by 4 plus 32. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. What is the doubt? You can ask. Isha Jose is there then. Isha Jose, what is the doubt? 7x plus 3x, 10x. 42 minus 240. I think that you are marking that. I couldn't understand. I want to explain once more.
Yes.
That full question now. Full question.
Yes.
Isha is speaking?
Yeah.
Okay.
That last 3x plus 2.
3x plus 2 into 1. That is 3x plus 2 itself. 3x plus 2 into 1 is 3x plus 2 itself. Any number into 1 is that number itself, no? So that bracket itself. That's your doubt? Or you do like this, 1 into 3x, 1 into 2, we are getting the same. Okay? Okay. Now you write question number 10. Now you became energetic, no? 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 20 equal to x by 4 plus, oh, by seeing this, what to do here, there, everything. Okay, no problem. Here 4, so LCM is 4, no? Right side I am not minding now. Let leave, right, left side, 4 is the LCM. So 3x minus 1 into x minus 20 equal to x by 4 plus 32. First step is okay. By God's grace, yes, this denominator same, 4. So I no need to find the LCM and all. I wrote under 1 4. No need to write 2 4s here. Wrote under 1 4. This is 3x. This is negative 1 into x minus 20. Correct? First step okay. Now, again, 3x minus, I am going to open the bracket. Negative 1 into x. Negative 1x. Negative 1 into negative 20, positive 20. Correct? Negative 1 into x, negative 1x, negative 1 into negative 20, positive 20 equal to x by 4 plus 32. Okay. Now 3x minus 1x, 2x plus 20 by 4 equal to x by 4 plus 32. Clear? Now complete it. Complete. Now I want to take the right side LCM also, no? 2x plus 20 by 4 equal to, right side also I am going to take the LCM. Because this is x by 4, this is simply 32. So I made 32 by 1. So x plus here 4 into 32. Now next step, 2x plus 20 by 4 equal to x plus by 4. This much okay? Somebody switch on the mic. This much okay. Right side also we took the LCM. 4 is the LCM. Slowly we did. First left side we did. Then right side also we found LCM. Now, oh, this 4 and this 4 easily you can cut. I told you, know, if you can see the same number on both sides. Okay, so 2x plus 20 equal to, you have to finish this much, 4 you can cancel. So 2x minus x is equal to 128 minus 20, x is equal to 100. No, 108. If you can't follow, because time is up, so I have to stop the class. If you cannot follow, you copy these lines, and if you can't follow, I will explain the next class. Not that much problem. This much okay means 4 I cancelled. Then wrote, then x to one side, all the numbers to the other side, we got the answer. Okay, please mark the homeworks. Exercise 14a, question number 5. Please note down homeworks 14a, question number 5, 7, 11, 13, 15 and 19. Clear? All the homeworks clear? 5, 7, 11, 13, 15 and 19. Okay, thank you.